All right, so we're gonna start with a couple smaller.
45 minutes left. That's 3 15-minute chunks. That's easy. 15 minutes is just 3 chunks of 5 minutes. 5 minutes is nothing. I can do 9 5 minutes. Phoebe taps her pencil 2 times per second. There's 2,700 seconds in 45 minutes. It's just 5,400 taps. I've already sat through 12 just now.
Juice fart? No, but I smell that though. Definitely. Someone farted.
Tommy has been farting every 3 minutes and pretends it wasn't him. I just have to sit through 15 Tommy farts. 14. Cam yawns every minute for 3.4 seconds. Mathematically, that means Chelsea bites each nail for approximately 9 seconds. By the time she gets to the left hand,
Stop looking at me. Stop biting your nails. Get out of smelling shit. That's not me. That's Tommy. That's not me. I smell that though.
that's her 30th cough. Cam's hairline gets pushed back a centimeter every 24 minutes, meaning a follicle.
Out of my hair.
He sniffs his armpit every 5 I can do that. That's just 5,000 years reviewing each other. I can do that.
Luke, what's 8 plus 8?
8 plus 8, I don't know. I can't do math like that.